I have a broken spark plug wire or a bad coil. Keep watching the video and I'm going to show you how to replace that on a Honda Fourtrax. This happens to be a 1990 300 and this is going to vary between model, but from about 88 to 2000 a lot of things remain unchanged. Now I've been buying a lot of parts from 1PZ and I'll put a link in the description below for Amazon how to purchase this. This job shouldn't take too long. It's fairly easy with common tools. Follow along and I'll show you how to replace this. First thing you need to do is remove your seat. Get that up and out of the way. And then you have a 12mm bolt right here to remove the gas tank. Get your 12mm socket and ratchet. Remove this bolt. Then make sure your gas valve is off. Remove your wire keeper. Just slide it back there on the fuel line. Slide your fuel line off the nipple. And then we're going to lift off the gas tank. Alright, so to lift off your tank, you're going to kind of lift up a little bit and then pull straight back. Then set your gas tank aside. So if you follow your spark plug wire, it goes up through this hole right here to the coil. So you need to use an 8mm socket and take this bolt out. Next thing you want to do is take these two spade connectors off of your old coil and attach them to your new coil. Just for a reference, the green wire is going to go to this left side, the black goes to this right side. And now you can undo your spark plug wire from your spark plug, and you're going to pull up the old coil, lift up your spark plug wire through this hole, and remove your old spark plug wire and coil. Now thread your new spark plug wire down through the hole in this bracket. Go ahead and attach it to the spark plug. And now reinsert the 8mm bolt, making sure that you put the green connector back on the top side of the coil before you insert the bolt, and tighten that up. Then go ahead and reinstall your gas tank. You're going to lift up, slide in and down, put your bolt back in, pop your seat on, call that project done. Congratulations on changing your own coil and spark plug wire. Saved yourself a lot of time and money. Learned a little something about your ATV along the way. I'll put a link in the description below on the part number. Thanks for watching.